In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excel keyboard shortcuts lesson 7. First, open Microsoft Excel so you can follow along in real time. It's always easier to learn shortcuts by practicing them directly inside a worksheet rather than just memorizing a list. Once Excel is open, you're ready to begin. Keyboard shortcuts can help you work faster in Excel because they let you perform common actions without constantly reaching for the mouse. That may seem like a small difference at first, but over time, it can save a lot of effort and make your workflow feel much smoother. Shortcuts are especially useful when you're entering data, organizing information, or making quick edits. Let's go over some useful Excel keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+C copies selected cells, and Ctrl+V pastes copied content. Ctrl+X cuts selected cells if you want to move data instead of duplicating it. Ctrl+Z undoes your last action, which is one of the most helpful shortcuts when you make a mistake. Ctrl+Y redoes an action if you want to restore something you just undid. Ctrl+S saves the workbook, and it's a good habit to use it often while working. Ctrl+F opens the Find tool, so you can search for specific data quickly. Ctrl+H opens Find and Replace, which is helpful when you need to update repeated values. Ctrl+A selects data, making it easier to work with a full range. Ctrl+T creates an Excel table, which is great for sorting, filtering, and formatting data. Ctrl+E uses Flash Fill, which can recognize patterns and complete data for you. Ctrl+1 opens the Format Cells window, where you can adjust number formats, alignment, borders, and more. Alt+Cells inserts AutoSum to quickly total numbers. Ctrl plus an arrow key jumps to the edge of a data range, and Ctrl+Shift plus an arrow key selects a large range quickly. Now let's do some quick practice. Enter several names and numbers into an Excel worksheet. After that, use Ctrl+C to copy a cell, then use Ctrl+V to paste it. Press Ctrl+Z to undo the change so you can see how easy it is to reverse an action. Next, use Ctrl+F to find a specific name in your worksheet. Then select your data and press Ctrl+D to turn it into a table. Finally, use Ctrl plus an arrow key to move quickly through your data range. A helpful tip is to start by learning only a few shortcuts at a time. Once those become familiar, add a few more. That approach makes the learning process easier, and before long, you'll be able to complete common Excel tasks much faster and with more confidence.